media. Yes, man.
Yo, my T-Rock, man! Yo, dog, hear me say. I feel say Billy team football shoes, you know. After we have play ball Sunday, see? Billy look at my shoes and say, yo, dog, them shoes, they bad, you know. After we done play ball, I can't find my shoes, my G. I can't find my shoes and I feel say Billy team my shoes. Brother, if a Billy have my shoes in there, I broke him up, you know. He say, yo, what? I talk to him and I'm going to pay me no mind, dog. Pay the pan.
Just there, I do some homework, you know, brother.
Homework, brother?
Yeah.
The man you talk about homework. You're a big man in a G. What kind of homework thing you talk about, brother?
I'm still up on them schoolings, dog, you see it. Never too late for learning that if you know.
Dog, I done say dunce though. The man dunce no bumbo, yo. Brother, big old man like you talk about homework.
Go take my life with it bright.
Yeah.
Go on skin off your teeth.
So yeah, the English or maths
I
homework.
get some word for use in a sentence. So that may do it right now. But I just want me have left.
Yo, tell me word, me help you, dog. Cause you don't know say up you're saying the dog. My mental no GG, you know me. You know, a bright boy thing in the brother. And that may make you know, you know. Tell me word.
Circumference.
Dog, that the easy word you struggle to make sentence with. So me tell you about them boy and I done say they be, you know. Alright, what you know? What you know?
Circumference.
Alright, boom, write this, you know, write this. Yo, write the thing now, brother. I'm telling my youth.
Alright, circumference. Let me see you now.
Alright, boom. Ready. Alright? Right now, my youth.
Alright, see it here.
One day I went in. Oh, see that now? One day I went to maths class and did not see the teacher, Mr.
Dog, the sentence is too long, my youth.
Write the thing now, my youth. I'm telling man about sentence. Sure. My man mess up. Alright, see it here. Ready now. One day I went into maths class and did not see the teacher, Mr. Baker. So I looked in the class and said, circumference. You see them? I levels them there in my G. Yeah, look on that. Easy.
But like you don't see no dog, you don't say it no brother. You know, no sense, idea. That make you know. Till someone English, they put